Hello and welcome to the Harriet Muller Art Channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artwork. Today we're going to be painting this really cute little cat painting. Really simple. All that you're going to need is some plain white paper. You can use watercolour paper if you've got it, but don't worry if you don't. You need a pencil, a paintbrush and a set of watercolours. I've just got this really simple set of basic watercolours. Anything will do. All that you really need is just a little bit of green, white and black. So let's get started. We're going to be starting off with the cat's head. So I'm just going to draw a very slight oval shape. It's in between an oval and a circle. It's just going to be here towards the top part of the page. Don't press too heavily. I'm just pressing a little bit harder than you need to, just so that you can see it on camera. Next, we're going to be drawing a larger oval shape. So starting here, just below this one, it's going to be a much longer oval shape. This is going to be the body. So just draw a nice big oval coming down like this. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Mine certainly isn't. And if I go too quickly, just hit pause and rewind. What I like to do is to watch the whole video through, then pause it in the section so that I can keep up. We're now going to add the little muzzle area. So just up here at the top, just add a shape like this. Now for the eye. And then now for the ear. So just here, it's going to be a triangle shape. Super simple, little triangle shape like this for the ear. We're now going to add up the head and the body. So with the line, come down, there's a little bit of a kink here, and then it joins up, and then the same for the neck. Come down, little bit of a wiggle, then the chest area, which protrudes a little bit, and then you come back in. Now for the feet. So here, come down, a little paw sticking out, and then we're just going to draw a straight line across the ground. It comes out like that for the tail. So now for the fun part, we're going to colour it in. So I'm going to be using a very pale green. I'm going to mix some green in with some white just for the eyes. Just going to paint in the eyes. I'm now going to let that dry. Now using just pure black, a very watery watercolour solution, I'm just going to start with the nose. And we're just going to go over what we did before. Like this. I'm using it super watery at the start, and then we're going to add a bit more pigment. So we're just getting the shape. So I'm not going to colour inside the ear, I'm just going to leave that blank. All the way down here. Going to go in with a bit more pigment now and just add a little dollop of black just in there and a bit more in the cheek area. Can you see how it moves on its own? I love that. That's why I like watercolours so much. We're going to carry on. We're going to carry on down here. Again with just a watery solution. I'm going to make it a little bit rougher now. This side I'm going to do it quite neatly just so that you can kind of make out where the paw is. Colour it all in. I'm going to leave some areas blank. I'm just going to do some little flicks just to show that it's very furry. And also with the whiskers. Now I'm going to go in with a much darker black, a lot more pigment on my brush. And I'm kind of letting the paint do its own thing. Adding a lot more pigment to this side because this side is where the light's coming from. And then now towards the bottom. So now for the tail, we're just going to do one fair swoop. Coming up like that. And then going to go back in and just add more pigment to the bottom of this. And particularly to the bottom of the cat. We're going to revisit the ear. And now we can go in and do the eye. This allows the maximum time for the eye to dry. Just smoothing out the face. Just going to add in the other ear just behind there. A few more flicks here. Coming all the way down. And here we have our finished cat drawing. If you've enjoyed this one's going to really interest you. It's another cat one here and a whole playlist of cat videos.